Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add admin to your Facebook page. So let's start. First of all, you have to log into your Facebook account and then go to menu option on the top right corner and select the page on which you want to make a new admin. So I just want to select Fight Club. And in this section, you just simply click on the gear icon on the top right corner of your screen, and in below sections you just simply click on page roles, and here you see the option of add person to page. So simply click on that and type the name of the person which you want to make admin. So I want to make this person, and here you see the page roles as you just make an admin, editor, moderator, advertiser, analyst. So it's up to you. So I want to make him admin and then click on add. That's it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.